there's two ways that you can bring up price. You can bring up the price before you go through what's included in the offer. So you can go, our program's $9,997, or we've got a couple of split payment options or a few other ways that we can help you out and get to where you want to go. And here's why. Number one, we give you an online training portal. Number two, 24/7 chat channel. Number three, we run workshops annually. Number four, we give you all of our scripts and intellectual property. So you can mention the price and then go through the offer and what's included and then stack the value above the price. Or the traditional way of doing sales that majority of people do is they go through the whole call and then the last third, they drop the price, objection handle, and close. So they actually bring the price up after they've gone through what's included, what the person's getting, and they've gone through all the, the features and benefits.